Hello guys, welcome to Not On My Watch. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video and I'm so excited to see this watch. I'm so happy that I had the opportunity to buy it. So we're gonna get straight into it, but first wristwatch check. I'm of course wearing my Kurono Tokyo Toki. I've been wearing this pretty much every day since I got it. I'm very happy with it, and look how beautiful it is. I'm so happy with this watch, and that makes me even more excited about what's in here. So let's try and open this up. We got some taping to cut through. There we go. There is the big black box, similar as the previous one. So let's rip it up. I think it's the same pattern on the inside of the box. Go, and just as beautiful as last time. Well, I don't know if these were in there last time, but very beautiful. Let's try and open this up without ripping it. There we go. And here is a little extra thing that was going to come with it. I have seen online what it is. A little bit disappointed. We'll get back to that. The watch, of course, and this envelope. I think that is everything that's in here. So let's get the big box out of the way. Let's start with this envelope. Try and open it up without ripping it apart. There we go. And inside here we find this little amulet thing. Pretty nice. This one I think is more beautiful than the previous one. And we find something else. Here you can see the watch. And this is annoying. Okay, I think we're fine. The warranty card, very heavy warranty card. Yeah, it says my name, date, and probably like the serial number. Let's try and get this to stick on. And you get this polishing cloth with the little logo thing right there. For all the existing customers, they sent a little extra thing with this watch. There it is, it has the logo, and inside it says, Kurono would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for your support. Thank you for purchasing a Kurono Seiji. As a token of appreciation, we have prepared a small gift that we hope you will enjoy. We are grateful that you we're grateful to have you on board with us, and hope you will love your Kurono timepiece as much as we do. It's like a gift symbol of some kind here. Okay, pretty nice. And the actual thing is it's a cup of some sort. And this was green. I thought this was blue, like similar to the watch, but it's green. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but it's cool, I guess. I can sip like an espresso out of this. I had expected something more. It said a Seiji, I don't know how to pronounce the watch name by the way, but I'll say it like that, Seiji accessory. This has nothing to do with the watch as far as I can tell, but cool little thing anyway. Better than nothing, I guess. But what I'm most excited about is the watch. Let's see if I can get it out of the bubble wrap that has proven to be very challenging before. So here it is, wrapped in this cloth, a little bit different looking this time. Let's see if we can unfold this. And here it is, vacuum packaged, of course. Don't want to make it simple for you. Disinfecting all. Let's see. Cut this up. So here is the watch box, very small and simple. Let's try and slide this out. There we go. Here we have the logo. I think it's exactly the same box as the Toki came in, and probably the other watches too. Let's slide it. Does it slide only one way? I don't know. Come on. Oh my god. There we go. You guys ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I'm so excited to see this color. I think it's gonna be beautiful, and you can see it. How many layers do I have to go through? Thought I'd learned from last time, but clearly I haven't. Let's get it out. I will say, I think the packaging is a little bit wasteful, but it's an experience. I do like it, but there's a lot of things. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at that bright blue. Wow. I need to change this strap like now, but wow. Let's get a little side by side. We'll get a closer look. I'm gonna take off the plastic. Okay, so here it is, guys. The Kurono Tokyo Seiji, however you pronounce it. This color is just absolutely stunning. Wow. I'm in love with this already. I think the Toki is gonna get some hard competition for wrist time now. Obviously need to change the strap. The strap seems to be similar to the Toki, but just white. It's a clasp, no sign, it's not signed on the back side either. Case back, doesn't say anything new. I need to get the Toki off so we can get them side by side. So here they are, side by side, and I think I have a new favorite. This color is just something else. I love both, but the blue one, wow, it's really special. Let's try and get it on the wrist. Here it is, guys, on the wrist. White straps, as you can see, that's not for me, but look at that dial. I am absolutely in love. I wonder if the black strap would fit it. I think probably like gray strap would be better, but this watch is beautiful. Wow. I'm so lucky to have been able to pick one up. I really didn't believe it when I got the mail that I was picked, and I was so stoked, and I'm so excited. This watch, I think it's a keeper, guys. Like, I really think it's a keeper. This is special. It's absolutely beautiful. I've never had a watch that is this color before. I've had light blue, but not this like Tiffany blue, and I absolutely love it. It looks beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to get one as well. I will be trying to take a lot of pictures and posting on Instagram, so follow me there. I will put the link in the description. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys the unboxing and the watch, of course. And I will be doing a review on these pretty soon. I don't know if I'm going to do a review on each or just a review of the model with both. We'll see. Which one is your favorite, guys? Let me know. The new one is my favorite, definitely. But I really love both. We'll see which gets most wrist time eventually. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch another video, I will put one right here. And yeah, thanks again. Goodbye.